Let's start this yoga practice standing. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, forward fold, touch the floor. Inhale to halfway lift. Exhale, plank. Lower to chaturanga. Inhale to upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Try this 2 more times. Lower to your hands and knees, rest in child's pose as long as you need, and then move up to tabletop and into a twist. Thread one arm underneath the other. Option to reach your hand forward or behind your back in half bind, and then repeat on the opposite side. Inhale, look forward, and exhale, forward fold. Inhale, chair pose this time. Sit back into an imaginary chair with your big toes together. Sink your hips down. And then exhale, airplane arms. Option to lift your heels and balance on your toes. Inhale, back to chair pose. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale to chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, lift your right leg up. Exhale, bring your knee to opposite elbow. Inhale, lift your leg again. And exhale, low lunge. Step your foot in between your hands. Come up into a high crescent lunge with your back heel lifted. Reach your arms over your head. Breathe here. And then double lunge. Bend your back knee. Bring your hands together in prayer. Inhale, back to crescent. Exhale, warrior two. So arms wide, feet wide. Look to your fingertips. Inhale, reverse warrior. Reach your right arm up and back. Breathe into your side ribs. Sink into your front knee. And then exhale, lower chaturanga. Option to float your leg as you lower. Come back to downward facing dog. And try it on the opposite side. Now flow this breath to movement. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, jump to your hands. Inhale, chair pose. Exhale, airplane arms. Option to lift your heels. Inhale, chair pose. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale to halfway lift. Exhale, chaturanga, step or jump. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, lift your right leg up. Exhale, twist knee to opposite elbow. Inhale, lift. This time, exhale, knee to same side elbow. Right knee to your right elbow. Inhale, lift. Exhale, low lunge, step forward. Inhale, crescent lunge. Exhale, double lunge, bend your back knee. Inhale, crescent. Exhale, warrior two. Inhale, reverse warrior. Option for cow face arms. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Option to float your leg. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, lift your left leg up. Exhale, twist your left knee to your right elbow. Inhale, lift. Exhale, left knee to your left elbow. Inhale, lift. Exhale, low lunge. Inhale to crescent lunge. Exhale, double lunge, bend your back knee. Inhale, crescent lunge. Exhale, warrior two. Inhale, reverse warrior. Option for that cow face arms. Try to reach your hands. Exhale, chaturanga. And we'll meet back in downward facing dog. Last round, adding on, step or jump forward. Option for chair pose or crow pose. Stack your knees on your arms and try to float your toes. Step or jump back, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. 3 points this time. Inhale, lift your right leg up. Exhale, twist, knee to opposite elbow. Inhale, lift. Exhale, knee to right elbow, same side. Inhale, lift. And then exhale, knee to nose. Look forward, step your foot in between your hands. Inhale to crescent lunge. Exhale, double lunge. Inhale, crescent. Exhale, warrior two. Inhale, reverse warrior, option for your cow face arms. Exhale, pivot your toes straight ahead, come into wide forward fold. Bend your elbows, pull the crown of your head down. Inhale, halfway lift, and exhale, low lunge. Come into runner's lunge. Walk your foot all the way to the side of your mat, maybe even off your mat. You can stay up with your knee lifted, or lower to your knee and lower to your forearms. Option to reach back and grab your foot, lean back into a back bend. To come out of this, step back to your high plank, and this time move into side plank. Left hand is your foundation. Lift your hips up. Stack your feet at the back of your mat, or option to lower to your bottom knee. Lower down, chaturanga. Inhale, lift your right leg up. Exhale, half pigeon. Swing your right knee forward behind your right wrist. Walk your hands back, lift your chest up. This is one option to stay here. Option 2, walk your hands forward, fold into sleeping pigeon. And then third option, you can walk your hands back, reach for your back foot and pull your foot towards your hips. Kick your foot behind you, reach your heart forward, your arms forward. Or you can grab your big toe, rotate your elbow up, and try to bring your foot towards your head. King Pigeon. On your back, set up for bridge pose. Rest your hands beside your hips. Look at one spot on the ceiling and lift your hips up into a bridge. Your hands stay beside you, or you can interlace your hands underneath you. Another option is wheel pose. Tuck your hands in by your ears, lift your hips. Rest in bound angle pose, soles of your feet together. Right hand to your belly, left hand to your heart. Close your eyes, rest. Squeeze your knees into your chest, rock side to side a few times. Set your feet on your mat like bridge pose again. Reach your right leg up, left leg long. Circle your ankle a few times. Bring your forehead to your knee, and then move into a spinal twist. Take your right knee to your left side. Look to your right hand. Bring both knees towards your armpits. Put your feet up and grab your feet or the back of your thighs. Rock side to side a few times. Happy baby pose. And then squeeze your knees into your chest. Give yourself a big hug. And release into Savasana, your final meditation. Close your eyes, rest.